Split AC not cooling? Hot air blowing. Step-by-step check. HVAC troubleshooting. Room is hot, AC is running, but only hot air is blowing? Don't add gas first. Check it step by step, like a professional technician. Customer complaint. Room not cooling. Split AC is blowing hot air. First, check the remote or thermostat. Make sure the AC is in cool mode and temperature is set low. Second, go to the outdoor unit. Check if the fan and compressor are running. If outdoor unit is not running, check power supply, breaker, isolator, and any loose wiring connection. Third, check communication voltage from indoor unit to outdoor unit. If communication is missing, outdoor will not start. Fourth, if power and communication are okay, check outdoor control board output, contactor voltage, capacitor, and wiring. Now, if outdoor unit is running but still no cooling, connect the manifold gauge and check refrigerant pressure. If gas pressure is low, don't just top up. First check for leakage in flare joints, coils, and service valves. Repair the leak, vacuum the system, then charge gas properly. If suction and discharge pressure are normal, airflow is good, and compressor is running properly, the AC should start cooling. Always troubleshoot step by step. This is the professional HVAC method. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HVAC tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more useful content for you. Thanks for being here. Compose right to technology advance.